Hey, Bradley Waldrop here, and I just wanted to give you a walkthrough of an example front-end lead capture for a viral campaign. This has some very specific items in it, and it's a good example of a successful campaign for us. We generated well over 600 leads in just a few days with no ad spend and no original list. So it's for us, it was a really great experiment. We did learn an awful lot from it, and we then duplicated a campaign very similar to this with the tweaks that we learned, and we doubled our list, and it was pretty fascinating. So here we have a headline that is very relevant to the crowd that this is headed toward, and it fends off the people who are not a good fit. And then we have a picture of the actual products. People know what they're going to get when they enter. We're borrowing authority. This is not. This is not untoward. This magazine actually did a review, and that's where we got the idea of how to give this away or what to give away. And so there's so it's both authority, proof, and it's a little bit of sort of hackery as far as what products or services are going to go well. Go find the magazine or articles that cater to your market, and then figure out what they're reviewing that everyone should get. This is one of those items. So what you have here is just simply us borrowing the authority and indicating that it was already reviewed, and we have a specific value. We're very clear that there is no purchase necessary in order to get it. We have a very simple and effective call to action. A call to action is enter my details to win, and these are the details. Super simple, and the privacy statement that exists here. And knowing the new rules, there's going to be a little checkbox next to it now that says, yeah, I agree to the terms and conditions, and the terms and conditions include that we're going to get your email address, and you're going to have access to that data later on. It's GDPR, and it's just pretty detailed, but anyway, we're moving forward. What we decided to do was not just show the product itself. We wanted to show the product in use. We wanted to so that people understood what they were getting. It kept people eyeballs on the page. It was really kind of fun for us. And then we grabbed all of the manufacturer's information. These are just specific screenshots right from their own web page. We are it's their product, it's their web page, it's their information, and they have figured out a marketing message, and we decided not to screw around with it, but we did want to be able to highlight all of the really great things that these people are going to get if they are the winner. And then we then say, okay, well, this is going to be shipped to you, and we want to show it to them as it's going to appear, and specifically what's in the package, right? So they got a chance to already see what it'll do for them. Now we're giving them an image of what to expect. This is so that it's clear to them. We're only giving them the flashlight and the things that come with it in the box. There's nothing else in it, as well as it shows them that it's brand new, it's coming in a box, and it's the real deal. Then we tell them what's in it for, what do you have to do, what we're going to do, and then the giveaway terms. It's super simple, but if you don't pay attention to these terms and conditions, it can be very confusing for people. So what we did was we went ahead and tried to pick out the maybe controversial pieces that are in the full terms and conditions, and put them right here front and center so that they get to see them twice. They get not just on this page, but they get to see them as they click through on the terms and conditions. So that is a quick review of what a traditional, typical, successful opt-in page looks like for a viral campaign.